Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up job alerts on LinkedIn and save searches efficiently. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up job alerts on LinkedIn, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Jobs section at the top of the homepage. In the Jobs section, you'll find a search bar. Enter the job title or keywords relevant to your job search. You can also specify the location where you'd like to find jobs. Next, click on the search icon or press enter to view the job listings. On the results page, you'll see various filters on the left side. Use these filters to narrow down your search by date posted, company, experience level, and more. Once you have set your filters, look for the Create Search Alert toggle at the top of the job listings. Switch the toggle to On to enable job alerts for your search. A prompt will appear, allowing you to choose how often you receive alerts, like daily or weekly. After making your selection, click on Save to confirm your job alert. To also save your searches, look for the Save Search option located near the search results. Click on Save Search and provide a name for easy identification later. Now, you have successfully set up job alerts and saved your search. You can view and manage these alerts by returning to the Jobs section. In the upper right corner, click on Manage Alerts to see your saved job alerts. From here, you can edit or delete your alerts as needed. This allows you to refine your job search strategy effectively. You are now set to receive timely updates on job opportunities that matter to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.